Rita Eagles, they takes the lead by 2. Meanwhile, Aktub, Poy Aktub to attack, and that's good! Look at that, Poy Aktub already dominating by 2 sa ilalim. Meanwhile, Aktub, Poy Aktub to attack, and that's good! Poy Aktub have the handle. Let's see how Aktub will handle this one. Poy to shoot. That's good! Without any hesitation, Poy Aktub knocks down a random 3-point play. Ibabalik tayo sa side ng Santa Lucia. Aktub goes inside. Look at that! Will get the rebound. By Tuazon. Cross-court pass. It comes. Poy to attack. That's good. Poy Aktub. Santa Rita. Sagutan na ng puntos. Meanwhile, Poy Aktub to the run. Aktub goes inside. Look at that. Stress. Hindi siya gano'n nakakapukol ng stress. But now, nakikita natin that advantage. Oh! Look at that. Meanwhile, di nakasagot si Liwanag, but Santa Lucia advantage. Oh! Giving us entertainment for tonight. The dagger for Santa Lucia. Poy fires it up. That's good! As Poy Aktub knocking down a 3-point. Carlo Ferreras. Poy Aktub for the second one. Bang! Poy Aktub for the second time. Controlling the ball. Aktub goes inside. Look at that. Nakakatakot eh. Nabalik tayo on the side of Santa Lucia. Here comes Poy Aktub. Here it comes. Maybe for Poy. Another one for Poy. And that will be a foul for Jamir Eligado against Poy Aktub. Pero grabe. The courage for Poy Aktub. Poy Aktub, tingnan natin kung papasok dito yung first free throw ni Aktub. And that's good. Tingnan natin kung papasok. And that's good for Poy. 15 seconds remaining. Another one. Takes off. And that's good for Poy Aktub. Ferreras from the right. Pick up. Poy goes inside. No good. Poy will get another rebound. Pineda sa gitna. Drop ball pass. Poy. Sa shot. No good. Will get the rebound. Poy Aktub is in the run. Poy goes inside. And Poy Aktub effortlessly converting it into 2-pointer for Santa Lucia Titans.